The city, known for its modern architectural buildings, blending in with its ancient artistic side, known as the masters of the Peking duck, where old meets new. This is Beijing. Can you imagine a world without Google? Well, it exists, and that is China. But don't worry, there's a solution for that. You basically have to activate a VPN account. Or if you've learned Mandarin somehow, somewhere, you can use the A maps. We landed at 5 a.m. in the morning, hungry as ever, but don't despair. There's always a convenience store in almost every corner. Before arriving in Beijing, we had a layover in Chongqing.
Miracle Street. And of course, it's raining only one spot.
Also known as the Cyber City, or better yet, the largest city in the world. Finally landing in Beijing! Our first stop was the Temple of Heaven. This is a masterpiece of architecture. It is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. And of course, you cannot go to Beijing without actually trying the Peking duck.
First bite of the actual duck. And you dip it into, wow, look at that glaze. Amazing. Wow. Wow. Wow.
What does it taste like?
It's got this sweet texture. What better way to explore the Forbidden City?
With a bag.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
If you're like us, people who came with their luggages, you can leave them free of charge. You simply need to think about that thing as an information center, big check, and you can just leave your luggages right here. Everything free of charge.
Some may say it is forbidden to go to Beijing without going to the Forbidden City. Arguably so, it is the most famous palace in the entire Chinese history. Being the actual birthplace of tea, it is forbidden, in my opinion, to not have a tea session.
On top of Jingshan Park, beautiful view of the Forbidden City.
And if you want to escape from the hustle and bustle of the city, just 2 hours away is the Gubei water town.
Gubei water town.
It is a beautiful water town located with its main attraction being the Simatai section of the Great Wall of China.
So we paid for the cable car. We were supposed to go here and go up, but of course we took this way. So now we are here. So we must walk here and take the cable car down, I guess. Alright. And the walk was not done. Finally had a tip at the Great Wall of China.
We finally made it!
Looks like you're enjoying.
It's so good. And just eat this rice alone, like sticky rice, some preserved meat, Chinese sausage, bok choy. Wow.
Stay tuned and check out our next video on Zhangjiajie, made famous by the movie Avatar.